Have you ever tried filming a cinematic night scene without a crew, without a generator, using just a couple of 60-watt lights? That's exactly what I'm planning to do today with talented actors and my friends, Tommy and Stacy, along with a pair of new, small but very powerful lights from SmallRig. After we review the final scene, I'll break down the lighting for each shot with diagrams. Let's get started. To capture the evening scene as planned, you need to arrive at the location in advance and consider the approximate camera and lighting positions. We need to shoot quickly and efficiently. In the first shot, we need to show our mysterious hero in the setting. The silhouette transforms into a rugged guy with tense music playing. I used two RC60B lights with the same color temperature of 2700K on RA S280A air cushion light stands with arm. I chose the RC60B for their mobility and built-in battery, which gave me about 75 minutes of shooting time without recharging in economy mode. By the way, if you're considering purchasing such devices, you can find a link to them below this video and use my discount code for 5%. I used one of the lights as a key light for the actor, hanging it from the top to imitate a street lamp. For the wide shot, I needed a pretty strong light source, so I didn't use any diffusers, just a harsh beam of light. I used the second light to illuminate the bottom part of the car. Without this light, the car would blend into the ground and just appear as a dark spot. So it's aesthetic lighting, but quite important for the cinematic effect. For the medium shot, the light was too harsh, so I decided to add a diffuser to soften the shadows and achieve a nicer skin texture. I turned off the second light. As time passed, by the time we needed to film scenes with the girl, the sun had completely set. It became clear that we needed to come up with a lighting scheme and camera position that would allow us to shoot and edit the scene in a way that wouldn't make the transition between the brighter background from the previous shot and the darker one in this shot obvious to the viewers. I used the two RC60B lights again. I kept the key light with a diffuser and placed a bit further from the actress, so the closer side of her face to the camera would be slightly in shadow. By the way, this was another street lamp imitation. The second light I placed even further behind the actress and aimed it toward the ground. This gave me a zebra effect in the background. We see a part of the lit ground beneath the actress's feet, then a darker patch, followed by a light one, and then a dark sky. It's a pleasing cinematic look. For indie filmmaking, it's a simple and effective solution. To make the transition in editing smoother and maintain tension, I used a detail: the actress's bloodied hands. As usual, I shoot on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro using DZO Film Vespid Prime lenses. And the final scene, I placed one light source on a boom between the actors so that it would illuminate Tommy's face and figure while he smokes and approaches the girl, and Stacy's face when we see a shot of both of them together. The second light source remained to light up the background behind the actress, giving us more detail in the backdrop. I'd appreciate any comments on this video, but what's especially important to me is if you could tell me what impression my content gives you. You can also describe which scenes you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.